Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have some puppets and some simple dimples. So the simple dimples, I like the simple dimple. Look, see? It sounds very awesome. And the puppet is so satisfying. Remember, and last year I never have a puppet. I watched the video how to play puppets and I watched talking fidgets, and they're so cute and they're funny. But tradings or scammings with this. So these ones are like expensive. Even the simple dimple, but not very expensive. Some are not expensive. And whoa! This one is the square. And this one is the square rainbow. And this one is the green one. So I got a lot of puppets. Sometimes they are so satisfying, but they can be a lot of satisfied. So I will see you next time.